Long live the king, long live the king, long live the king. Sir, Prince Devata wants to come in.
Okay, bring him in.
I wonder why Prince Devata wants to see the king at this time.
Perhaps he wants to complain against someone. What is it, Devata? Why have you come to me at this time?
Sir, the prince will not give me my swan. I want justice from you.
Be calm, Devata. Be calm. Has Siddhartha taken your swan from you?
Yes, sir, he has. I shot it and fell on the ground near the prince. He picked it up and said would not give it to me.
It's very naughty of Siddhartha. Go and call him.
The prince is a good lad. He can't do things that's wrong. I agree with you.
Siddhartha, Devata says that you have taken his swan. Is that the swan with you to protect?
Your Highness, Devadatta has complained about this swan, but it is not his swan. It's mine. No, Your Highness, it is not his. It is mine. I shot with an arrow. Siddhartha is telling a lie.
Be calm, Devata. Be calm. You say that the swan is yours because you shot it. Is that right?
Yes, that's quite right.
What do you say, Siddhartha? Why do you say that the swan is yours?
Your Majesty, Devadatta shot this swan, but I saved its life. That's why it's mine.
Here, here.
Listen, Siddhartha. A Kshatriya cannot give up what he has shot. Do you agree with me?
Yes, I do, sir. But a Kshatriya cannot give it up a supreme either. This swan came to me for protection. I cannot give it up. Your Highness, this is injustice. I shot this one, so it's mine.
Well, boys, I'm very puzzled. This is a very strange case. I don't know how to decide it. Can you help me?
I will try, Your Highness.
Very well, then go ahead.
Prince Devadatta and Prince Siddhartha, please listen to me. Prince Devadatta says that the swan is his because he shot it. And Prince Siddhartha says that the swan is his because he saved its life. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
Good. Now Prince Siddhartha, please put the swan on the stool. Prince Devadatta, please come forward and ask the swan to come to you.
Oh, swan, come to me. Oh, swan, come.
That will do, Prince Devadatta. Prince Siddhartha, now it's your turn to call the swan.
Dear swan, do not be afraid. I will come to you. Come and sit on my arms.
Your Highness, the swan has decided the case.
It has indeed.